Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add Figma prototypes to your Behance presentation. If you're showcasing your design work on Behance, adding a Figma prototype can instantly elevate your presentation. Instead of just showing static images, embedding a live prototype allows viewers to actually interact with your design, which makes your project feel more professional and complete. This is especially important if you're building a portfolio, applying for jobs, or trying to stand out as a designer. To begin, open your browser and go to Behance. Log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to your Profile section on the top right corner and click on Create a Project. This will open the project editor, where you can start building your presentation. You can add a title, description, and other elements, but for now, we'll focus on embedding your prototype. Now open a new tab and go to Figma. Open the project that contains the prototype you want to showcase. Once your project is open, click on the Share button, located at the top right corner of the screen. In the Share panel, look for the option that says Get Embed Code. Click on it. Figma will generate an embed code for your prototype. Click Copy to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now go back to your Behance project editor. Inside the editor, look for the option to add content blocks. Select the prototype block. Once the prototype block appears, you'll see a field where you can paste your embed code. Paste the embed code you copied from Figma into this field. After pasting, Behance will automatically load and display your Figma prototype. You can resize or reposition the prototype within your project layout to fit your design presentation. Take a moment to preview your project. Make sure the prototype loads correctly and is fully interactive. Test it just like a user would. Click through screens and check transitions. Once everything looks good, continue editing your project or click Publish to make it live. Using Figma together with Behance allows you to create more dynamic and engaging portfolio presentations. To summarize, adding a Figma prototype to Behance involves creating a project, copying the embed code from Figma using the Share option, and pasting it into a prototype block on Behance. This lets you display interactive designs directly in your portfolio. And that's how to add a Figma prototype to your Behance presentation. By embedding interactive designs instead of just static images, you instantly make your portfolio more engaging and professional. This small upgrade can make a big difference, especially when recruiters or clients are reviewing your work. They're much more likely to remember a project they can interact with. As you continue building your portfolio, try to focus not just on how your designs look, but how they feel and function. Showing that experience is what sets you apart from others. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.